What started as a routine water patrol quickly turned into a tense situation. When a Marine officer approached the boat operated by Austin, just 18 years old, everything seemed like a standard safety check. The registration number, life jackets, throwable device, whistle, and fire extinguisher. But then, the officer noticed an open beer bottle on Austin's boat, and that's when the story took an unexpected turn.
I can tell you probably might get beat up out here, huh? Hey, what's your FL number on this side over here? Yeah, I think you're missing a number on there. It don't look like you had enough room to put another one on there. Watch out real quick. Has he checked you yet, or are you just checking that boat? You all together?
No, he's checking out.
All right, we'll just go ahead and check you while I'm here real quick. You got your boat license? All right, that's fine. You got 2 life jackets on board?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Watch out. Got it. Where you from?
Arcadia.
Oh, okay. I'm going
We
back.
have a lake house here.
Watch your lid, watch your lid, watch your lid. Trying to get us away from the crowd a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna back us out.
You said 17 foot, you got throwable? Square cushion on my feet?
I believe so. That's it.
That way we can lower the waves.
He's got a whistle right.
That's it. So you got a whistle right here. You got a fire extinguisher?
Yes, sir. It's 18. No,
You're using that one.
no, it's right here. I just threw everything in here. We started to do it.
So what we're going to do is make sure everybody knows where everything's at. If they get in a rush, throw things in the boat, have to forget them or misplace them. So in case of emergency, we don't know where they're at. How old are y'all?
18. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Still good?
Yes. You need to be mounted, but you're good though. You have the registration on board?
No, sir.
The boat belongs to you?
Yes, sir. It's in my name. Everything's in my name.
Yeah, you're good, buddy. So we don't have to roll more hold it.
Do you have your durable one?
Are you Austin?
Yes, sir. Awesome. I don't have my own one. That's not me there.
You said 17 foot?
Yes, sir. 17.8, maybe?
Pressure is 16, so if the pressure is 16.
16.8. No, it's right at 17.
Yeah, you're good on the throw.
We'll come back up next to you.
Oh, you don't let go.
Well, it was either that or go in.
We'll get you, buddy. Gotcha.
What was that?
The Pathfinder. Did y'all just graduate?
I did.
I graduated last year.
Last year? Okay.
About to turn 19.
Okay.
In a few days.
Alright. Alright. What y'all got in the cooler?
My dad got some beer in here from yesterday.
Your dad?
Yes, sir.
Where's your dad at?
He's at the lake house.
I didn't take it out. It's heavy, and we had it on the body.
You mind taking a minute quick? Okay. So your dad was in this boat yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Last night. They were bringing out.
You do realize though that you're still responsible for everything on board. Okay, so right now you're under the age of 21 possessing alcohol. I don't care if your dad was on the boat or not. You're responsible. It's your boat, right? Okay, so you're responsible for everything. Yeah. What's that deal with that over there? Center console.
That's from last night.
This last night?
Yes, sir.
You take it out quick. So last night, but it's still really cold and it's popped open. So do you want to start this over again?
I was drinking it.
Okay. So you,
I'm not drinking. I know.
He has to drink
I
though.
haven't drinking.
okay. I'm going to put that right back there. It's fine. So what I'm gonna need to do, okay? So that's the issue. Main reason why we're here for voting safety, okay, and underage drinking, okay? So I'm gonna back up a little bit for not in these people's way real quick. Nope, we got you. All right, we're gonna go that way, Cody. If I can, we try to go that way. I don't think he has any cleats in there, does he?
He's got up front and the back.
All right, well, we're gonna hang on to you real quick. We're trying to get out of the way for these blades and stuff, all right? Y'all have y'all's IDs, anything on y'all? Whose cooler is that? Who does that belong to? Is it your cooler or is it your dad's cooler? So if I contact your dad right now, he's gonna say that he owns a K2 cooler.
That's in great cases.
So your dad knows that this cooler's on this boat, and now y'all are drinking it?
Yes, sir. I'm not drinking. I am not drinking.
You think he'd be okay with her drinking? Okay. What about your parents?
My parents aren't here.
Right. But what he's saying is, would your parents be okay with you drinking out here? Okay.
I mean, you gotta think about it. This is a holiday weekend. Did y'all not think we're gonna be out here?
Oh, I know you're drinking.
Okay.
That's why I'm not drinking. That's why I haven't drinking.
It doesn't matter. You're still in possession of alcohol. Okay.
I didn't even think about it.
Well, somebody must thought about it because she knew it was in there, so drinking. We're gonna go over in a little bit calmer water, guys. All right. All right. $73.24 less than $10.54 to left. Y'all say y'all don't have your IDs on y'all? I got your name.
What's your first name?
Sierra, S-I-E-R-R-A.
Have we talked to you before?
Yes, sir.
What's your middle initial?
A.
And date of birth. Where you guys from? Here?
Arcadia.
Arcadia?
We have a lake
The
park on
dancer.
that lake house right over there.
Okay.
We're down here for my graduation party this yesterday.
Okay. What's that?
We're leaving tomorrow morning. We skip the day.
Okay.
Is that like a walker?
Yeah.
Jesus. All right, Sierra. So here's the deal, okay? I mean, you're in possession of alcohol. Okay, you know you're not 21, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So a little bit of good news and bad news. Okay. The good news is I'm gonna write you a court summons, okay, for possession of alcohol under the age of 21, and you just apply to that, okay. Versus the bad news would be taking you physically, but taking you to jail, okay. Do I have you where you can show up for court? Show up for the court date?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I feel like you're not gonna show up for court date, then we have to take you to jail, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Is it here or in Arcadia?
It'll be in Highlands County, up in the Sebring. All the information I'll provide to you as well, okay? And then while I'm doing that, I don't care how you do it, but we need to dispose of that alcohol.
Pour it all out.
You do what you need to do. It's yours. It's your possession right now.
Take that. You go.
You do what you gotta do on that. I'm not making you. Good.
mind if I step on your vessel?
Yeah, with him too? Oh, yeah, whatever. Yeah, for both. So pretty much, Austin, the same thing I explained to her is also for you too, okay? Okay, so there's gonna be a court. Do I believe that you're gonna show up for court?
When is it?
Well, we'll figure that out when we get here.
So I have a private class in Miami. So let me know.
Okay, well, we'll figure. I mean, that's something you need to do. You need to contact the court system if I figure that out. Okay. I don't make the dates up. It just kind of.
Now I do have a question for you. If we go to court and everything, does it show up? Anything? Or do we see it cleared, or how does it?
What do you mean?
Like
Because his dad, he's getting old FPO. Is that gonna affect?
I don't know what the requirements are for the jobs. I mean, it is a criminal violation. It is a misdemeanor. Okay.
and you can't get that cleared?
That's something you need to do. I mean, I can't give you any legal advice, but you can do what you need to do. If you feel like this is not just, you can take it to court. You go to the court system to figure that out. Okay.
While he's figuring that stuff out, I'm just gonna talk to you guys. We're not out here to tell you guys are bad people or whatever. Okay, we all make mistakes and we all got to learn from it, right? So don't let this affect you negatively. Make positive changes after this, right? So especially you're about to get a successful career. Something like this could ruin. You see what I'm saying?
73.4.
So it's just one of those things, right? So you got to learn and say, hey, this could have cost me everything, or there's a possibility it could. I don't know. But yeah, just remember, this is your boat. So whatever's on this boat, you're operator of the boat. It's all.
Save me, I get you all this damn food. I don't care.
All right, Austin. So I'm gonna give you this. I need your signature there. It's not a admission of guilt. Just says that you understand the instructions and you'll take care of it. All right. So this is your copy. Same thing. All the court information down here. This is your court date as of right now. Make sure you call that number around Friday.
It says not admission of
maybe
guilt.
the next Monday, and ask them. Say, hey, this is what the court date. They might change it because.
What I highly suggest too is give it a couple.
Yes, sir.
Other than that, guys, look, I mean, take it for one point. That's the same for you, Miss Sierra, okay? Okay. But just take it easy, breathe, contact that number, okay, just kind of go from there. This is the type of nothing personal against y'all, okay? You just take y'all, just copy, beat up on y'all, okay?
This story shows that just one careless decision, such as bringing alcohol onto a boat while underage, can lead to consequences that affect your future for a long time. Even though the officer chose a lighter penalty by issuing a court summons instead of making an arrest, it serves as a strong reminder that small mistakes can leave big marks. For Austin, who is training to become a pilot, a seemingly simple error could jeopardize his entire career path. And for Sierra, being cited for an offense before turning 21 is a costly lesson in growing up. From this incident, we can clearly see young people can make mistakes, but what matters is learning and changing afterward. Following the law isn't just about avoiding trouble, it's about protecting your own future. Don't let one impulsive moment undo years of effort. Hopefully, this story encourages all of us to think more carefully before we act.